Introducing our lineup of Slingshot mirror mods from the team over at EvolutionR. These products are constructed from ABS plastic and feature a carbon fiber-like pattern for a very sporty look. They're sold individually or available as a kit depending on your particular preference. First up, we have a cover for the backside of each side view mirror that adds some visual love to the boring plastic mirrors. We also have a trim piece that accentuates the front side of the mirror and blends seamlessly with the mirror cover. And lastly, we have a 4-piece mirror arm kit that dresses up both the upper and lower section of each mirror arm for instant eye candy. Each piece is held in place with adhesive backing strips for a hassle-free installation. To install, start by adequately cleaning the respective surface area with an alcohol prep pad and allow that to dry. Then peel back the protective backing film from the adhesive strips. Align the cover so that it's straight, then press firmly into place to ensure maximum adhesion. Repeat these steps for the remaining mods. Once installed, the covers add a custom look to the mirrors, and the ease of installation makes these mods a no-brainer. If a quick and easy upgrade for your mirrors is on your mod list, I've gone ahead and thrown a link to each product in a pinned comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all the latest and greatest mods for the Slingshot. I'm Jen, signing out until next time.